Hey, welcome back. This is Seth from the REtipster blog. Now in this video I'm going to be walking you through part 2 of the process of creating your own squeeze page, otherwise known as a landing page. Now for those of you who don't know, a squeeze page is just a one-page website. It's very simple, there's not a lot to it, but the purpose of this kind of web page is to collect email subscribers, collect names, phone numbers sometimes, things like that. And the whole idea with this is to create a list of people that you can use to do business with in the future. From the standpoint of, say, a real estate investor, the idea would be to create a list of buyers. So basically people who have expressed an interest in buying properties that you are going to be selling in the future. Most real estate investors can really appreciate how important this kind of a thing would be because it's frankly just not always easy to sell a property. And if you can have, a list of hundreds if not thousands of people who have already said, look, I want to know about the next property you're bringing to the market, that's an incredibly powerful tool because it allows you to control the sales process. Instead of just, posting your property online and hoping that the right people come by and see it, you can actually have a list of the right people and you can get it in front of them immediately. Instead of waiting for months to sell a property, you could sell it in as little as one email. And obviously, that is an incredibly powerful tool to have at your disposal. And that's what you can do with a squeeze page. And I'm going to show you in just a few minutes how you can get your first squeeze page up and running in a matter of minutes. The tool that I use when I'm building squeeze pages is this program called OptimizePress. And I actually discovered this just a couple years ago. And man, I got to tell you, it is an amazing resource because it makes the process of building a squeeze page extremely easy. If you're watching this video on the REtipster blog, I'm going to have an affiliate banner right below this video so you can just click on that and go right to this page. If you're watching this on YouTube, I'm going to have an affiliate link right at the very top of the notes right below this video. When you click on that link, it's going to take you to a page that looks something like this, and there's going to be this little video right here that'll kind of start playing for you. All you got to do is click right here on this button right after you watch the video, and then it's going to take you to a page that looks something like this. And obviously, if you want to create, dozens or hundreds of squeeze pages, you can feel free to do this expensive one. But for me personally, all I ever needed was this one here, the core package. So you go right down here to order now. This next page is going to offer you this little membership subscription if you want to. I personally didn't sign up for it when I bought it, but if you want to do that, feel free. Just click on that right there. Then this next page is going to show you the payment checkout part of the process, and personally I'm in the US, so I would just go down there and fill that part out. You'll go ahead and put this stuff here and just scroll down to the bottom and check out and pay. Once you've bought and paid for OptimizePress, you're first going to go over here to it's OptimizePress1.com/members, and that's going to bring you right here to the Members Hub. And one of the things that I just love about OptimizePress is the fact that they assume nothing about what you know or don't know about building websites. So just for example, once you get here to this Members Hub, when you scroll down, there's just like video upon video upon video upon video of exactly how to do everything. I mean, starting from just nothing and how to get your thing, your squeeze page, fully designed, fully customized, and fully online. So just so you know, even beyond what I'm going to show you here in this video, they leave no question unanswered and no stone unturned. So if you do decide to buy this, it will show you everything. So just want to start by saying that. But all you got to do once you're here in this Members Hub, you go right here to download OptimizePress WordPress theme. And we're going to click on this right here. It's going to download a zip file right down here in the corner. And once that is done, we're going to go and click on that and install it. I just downloaded that to my desktop, so I'm going to go right over here to Appearance and then Themes. And I'm going to go right here to Add New. And we're going to upload. I'm just going to upload this right from my computer here. So we're going to go Choose File and then go find OptimizePress in here. We're right there. Open that. And then once it's there, we're going to hit Install Now and just let it do its thing. Okay, now it says Theme installed successfully. We're going to go to hit Activate right there. Alright, now the first thing you're going to see once you install and activate OptimizePress is this little page right here. And it's going to ask you for the license for this site. And what you do there is you start here by going to Settings and then General. And you're going to grab the URL of this website. So for example, I'm going to take this right here and just copy it. And then I'm going to go back to the Members Hub at OptimizePress right here. I'm going to go down here to License Your Site. If you watch this video right here, it's going to show you pretty much the exact same thing that I'm doing right now. But You just go down here and you put your URL right here in this first box and then hit submit. And then all you got to do is take the email address, and that's really all it's going to do. It's just going to notify the system, hey, this new domain is going to be licensed now under the same subscription for OptimizePress. So you're going to go back over here. Let's see here. Go back to OptimizePress, and then all you got to do is put that email address in here, and then click here to license this site, and then there we go. It is now licensed and ready to use. So the first thing that you're going to do now that your page is licensed is you're going to go right over here to Pages, and you're going to add a new page. So basically this is the first and only page that's going to exist on this website. And once this page is created, you're going to go right over here to View Template Gallery. And right here it's going to show you all of the different squeeze page templates if you click on Squeeze Pages. And there are several different templates that you can choose from as you're putting together your squeeze page. So, you know, really lots of options, and all of them are great. And most of them use video in there, and video, I guess I would recommend doing it because I've found it to be extremely effective with my squeeze pages. But even if you didn't want to do that, for example, squeeze page number 3, you don't have to have a video on that one. Just, I guess for kicks, let's go with squeeze page template 3. So we would go over here to page attributes and then find 3, and we will click on that. Okay, now the first thing you're going to want to do here is go down here to headline options and click this box to say show options, and just put, you know, some kind of a text into this right here, just an example to show you what you could say. Once that's done, you can go down here to video settings, and all you got to do here is just enter in the URL of whatever video you have uploaded and created that you're going to use. You can either upload it to something like YouTube or Vimeo, or, you know, even something more complex and I guess customizable like Amazon S3 CloudFront. So I just you know, just get your URL and paste it in there. Put it in there too if you want. And once that is done, you can minimize that. And when it comes here to the opt-in squeeze form options, this is where you're going to have to actually grab some code from whichever email collection program you're using. One example, and the one that I use, is Aweber. Yeah, I mean, there's several of them out there. There's iContact, there's Constant Contact, there's MailChimp. You know, there's plenty of options, but just for this example, I'll show you how to do it with Aweber. All you have to do is go to your Aweber website. Once you're here, you're going to go over here to Sign Up Forms, and we'll click on this one right here, click on Publish, and hit that. I will install my form, get the raw HTML version. We're going to uncheck this, and simply highlight and copy all of this. Go back over here to the website and simply paste it in here. And once that is done, it will just sort of automatically fill this stuff in here. And then once that is in there, you can select the image that you want to use for your button. And as you can see, they give you all these different buttons that you can choose from. Just for this example, I'll put you know, this one, Get Access Now. And once that is complete, we're going to go up here to Save Draft, and then let's just preview this to see how it's looking so far. Alright, so here's our page so far. Here's this video that automatically starts. So as you can see, so far, you know, we've got the headline that we put in there. We've got the form. For some reason, there's no text showing up here. I'll have to go fix that quick. I'll show you how to do that, and then fix this little button. I'm not sure why that's not showing up. Let's go back over here. Now, if we go back down to headline options, the headline is all filled in, but the pre-headline, we got to put that in there too. So I'll paste that in there. Okay, so now that's all set. And then when it comes back to the opt-in form, let's see here. Put some of these little arrows down here. We have to figure out the image here. Let's make sure that's selected. And then we'll scroll down here. Say use selected image. Okay, so now that's corrected. Let's go back and see the website again. Okay, so now we just added these little arrows here, so let's point to that now. You can see the text we put in there. Now the button is showing up as well. So you kind of get the idea. And just to show you how easy it is to switch templates on the fly, let's pick, oh, I don't know, squeeze template 6 instead, and then preview it this way. And now, just like that, now we've got a totally different layout. You know, everything's showing up in a different place. Change it one more time just to give you another feel for how it can look. Let's pick 9. And now we've got this other one. And as you can see, this is all blank here. It's because we haven't really put anything in this box. If you wanted to say, you know, just start listing benefit 1, you know, benefit 2. And I mean, basically the idea with a squeeze page and the way that you get people to sign up for your list is essentially you're giving them something of value, and that's why they're signing up, because they know that once they give you their email address, you're going to give them something in return, whether that be, you know, a free report or something, or an ebook or video or gift or something like that. Or, you know, somebody would sign up on your list simply because, as communicated in your video, once they're on your list, they're going to get access to incredible real estate deals that they can't find anywhere else. That's kind of the way that I conveyed it in my video, you know, this one that you see right here. Just to give you an idea, that's the kind of thing that you would probably want to convey with these benefits and that kind of thing. So if we update that and just see what it looks like now, boom. See, now these things are starting to show up. So you would just fill this in with whatever kind of sales copy or message that you want to put in there. And that's really all you got to do. As you can see, I mean, OptimizePress, it's a very user-friendly, very easy way to get your squeeze page up and running. And I mean, it really honestly does look pretty good. And this is the kind of thing that, I mean, the first time I created a squeeze page, I paid somebody a lot of money just to create one page like this for me. I think I was like $500 I had to pay him. But just so you know, I mean, you can get OptimizePress and create it yourself in a matter of minutes and change it whenever you want. And you don't necessarily have to pay some developer a ton of money to do this kind of simple, basic stuff for you. So anyway, hopefully that was helpful. Hopefully this kind of gives you an idea of how you can create, you know, a very good-looking squeeze page in a matter of minutes, and you get your buyers list started and start creating a list of people who can make your business and your selling process a heck of a lot easier. Thanks again for checking out this page. I appreciate your time, and I wish you all the best.